saw a man without his shoes on the corner drinking booze. He was screaming, life ain't fair. And he said his name was Pete. Asked him why he's on the street. He looked down with such despair. He told me back when I was 21, I had a wife, a job, a son. I remember when life was so sweet. But then I started gambling. I lost my house, my wife, my kid. Ever since, can't get back on my feet. So learn from my mistakes before it's too late. The only time it rains in Hollywood is when somebody cries. People come out here to chase their dreams, but dreams come here to die. Where the dreams come to die. To die. Walking Hollywood and Vine, saw a woman with a sign, asked me could I spare some change. She had tombstones in her eyes as I caught her by surprise. Asked her why the long face, and she said back when I was just 18, had dreams of the silver screen, left Detroit to be a movie star. And I had a taste of fame, that was until I met. Now I sleep on Sunset Boulevard. So learn from my mistakes before it's too late. The only time it rains in Hollywood is when somebody cries. People come out here to chase their dreams, but dreams come here to die. The only time it rains in Hollywood is when somebody cries. People come out here to chase their dreams, but dreams come here to die. Where the dreams come to die. Singing out his broken heart. He wore a hat to hide his face. And Lord knows that times are hard. I threw some money in his jar, cause I love the way he played. He said, I've been singing 7 years, and every night I shed a tear, cause I don't know if anybody cares about the music that